All right, Ricardo. I got to be careful about being too big a smartass about some things, So because I don't want anybody to be offended, but you need to have a little bit more energy and focus where you're getting through the presentation. We've got these long periods of time where you are going through the process of describing what you're doing there, and we're not hearing anything. It's easy for us to zone out for whatever reason, and it loses its focus. The opening section you don't really need. I think you cut all that stuff out. Avoid perhaps saying something that is potentially offensive, because all the Mexicans I know are going to be, now I'm going to be looking at them like, what the hell? That's not really what you want to come across saying. That's a little iffy. A little iffy. I appreciate what you're trying to communicate there, but I'm not sure that that's the right way to express that idea. The notion that we're going to watch this preparation process needs a little bit more context. Why do people prepare this way? What's the value in doing it in this manner? Why is this superior to or different than consuming the product in some other method? I think you need to give us some background, some context on this, because otherwise we're looking at this one piece of technical stuff. It's like, let me show you how to tie a shoelace a particular way. Well, there are a lot of ways to tie a shoelace, and everybody's looking at it, but why am I learning this one? I'm not quite sure that this is, is it simpler? Is it easier? Does it prevent problems? Is the consumption improved in some way? I don't know. So it's a little bit problematic there. Now, you do talk to the audience for the most part at the beginning of the speech. I did think that your focus was in one part of the room a little bit more, so you wanted to spread that around. When you're working with the materials that you brought, you're so focused on that I don't think you engage the audience as much. There's some things that you can do while you're going through the process of describing what you're doing, but you need to tell some stories, make it interesting. This just feels like you have an idea for a speech and you're working it out as you're giving the speech, and you needed a little bit more preparation. You're winging it here, and I'm not sure that the idea is automatically problematic, although like I said, I kind of suggested maybe some other things when you emailed me the other day, and I think that you needed to have a little bit more focus, because as a subject area, this is just a little odd. All right, let's leave it at that. All right.